Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 15th of January, 2019. Our weather, high today of 31 degrees, low tonight of 28 degrees. There is a 20% chance of rain this afternoon or evening. Our PBS expectations for the week, we talked yesterday about all three. Today we're going to focus on being safe out on the playground. I sit here in my office. I have right behind me in this window. You can see you guys. You need to walk until you get to the actual playground stuff. I don't want anybody biting it on the cement out there, so please walk at all times. Hands and feet to yourself. Actually, you want to know what? I'm talking about the cafe. That's because I put the wrong one on here. I'm sorry. I changed it yesterday. So anyways, walk on your way out to the playground. Stay in the school area, and then Rochambeau for a solution. I'll change that up for tomorrow. So I apologize for that. Today's lunch is the new macaroni and cheese, green beans, strawberry applesauce, crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at some pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza, fresh broccoli with light ranch, apple slices, and those crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements, the piano trio is this Thursday, and then we have a half day of school on the 25th of this month. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.